Hey everybody, Kaylee Urban here again for the second tip in our email series on Google Drive. So last time I know we talked about creating folders and then subfolders in there. So hopefully since our time together last week, you've kind of been able to get into your Google Drive and hopefully make some files and folders and get your stuff kind of dragged into where it goes. I know it can be kind of a long process. So today I wanted to make our tip something that's even more simple, just to give you a little bit more time to get caught up, because I know it can be super overwhelming. Like we talked about last time, if you kind of let it pile up on you, just like we kind of sometimes let things pile up on our desks. So I don't want it to be overwhelming for you. So I want to give you a lot of time to get those folders created and your files kind of drug into those where they need to go so that you can feel super organized and super comfortable. So today we're going to talk about something really simple. Our tip number 2 is how to color code your folders once you've created them in Drive. So you can see on the screen some of my folders already have colors on them. So like these, I've gone in and decided what color I want those to be. So the colors are really just for me. I'm kind of a visual person, and so just having a color associated with something kind of helps me just find it faster in my Drive. So like I know that my current folder for this position that I'm in now is yellow, so I just click on the yellow folder every day. If I'm working on stuff for my husband and his marching band, I think of that as red, so I just assign this folder to be a red color. So you can see here I have two folders that are not color coded yet. Gray is just the stock standard color for folders in your Drive. It's kind of boring, I think, so I want to change these to make them a color. So I can right click on my folder that I want to change. In this menu that pops up, here's change color. I can decide, I think this one should be green. And it's super simple and easy. So you can assign different colors to all of your folders, or some people like to kind of have themes with their stuff. So like if you're in like a lesson plan folder and you've got a bunch of different folders for like maybe science or different periods of the day, you can say, well, I want all of my science stuff to be blue, or you can make everything a different color. It's kind of up to you. It's kind of like folders when we talked about last week. Everything's kind of just personal preference here. So you can decide what works best for you as far as the color coding of your folders go. But to do it, again, it's just find your folder, right click, change color, decide what color you want it to be, and you're done. Hope that helps. Keep working on getting those files moved into your folders, and then start color coding them in a way that makes sense to you. And we'll see you again next week for our next tip. Thanks, guys.